Good morning, guys. It's your boy Dominion. So, an update on my $13 account. Let me start by telling you how I managed that $13. This was my history last week. This is my $13 balance last week, and I made profit of $7 from that $13, but I withdrew $12. Meaning, if I should blow the account now, I'm losing $1.37, $1.34 though. So this was the last week trade. This AONZD did a wonderful magic last week, and I appreciate for that. So currently I have a balance of $8 remaining on this account. This is a new week, and my goal is not to make the money though, but my goal is to follow my plans and execute my rule and execute my trade, my plans. So the rest will show which is the result. Then this is the trade I'm on. I'm on AUD chef, which is this trade here. I'm on this trade currently. Let me know whether I can show you this on my trading view. Welcome back. This is the trade here. But what happened that I was using another this is AUD chef provided by Owanda. So I executed that trade with another, let me call it another company, but that trade was executed at somewhere here. So immediately I noticed that then I noticed that I was using two AUD chef but different maybe different broker. So I analyzed the other pair, the other broker. I analyzed it, and I now saw that here you are supposed to enter on that broker. But I now came to this Owanda, and I found out that I am supposed to execute here based on my entry model. So immediately I found out I've already placed the trade based on the other pair analysis. But never mind, I'm still risking my normal risk, my risk appetite. So if not, I would have been in profit more than it looks on this MT5. But nevertheless, we'll see how we're gonna make it. So I want to document this video here on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram page. So see you guys. Bless you out for tuning in, and I pray that this week will favor most of us, all traders. Let's swim in profit. Welcome back, guys. Now I will be taking, based on my trading plan and everything, I'm only taking 2 trades per day. So I open all this buy limit and sell limit just to wait for anyone that will trigger first. Then that will be the one I will go with. So currently it happens that AUD chef and GBP AUD are the 2 trades I'll be taking for today. And let me screenshot it so that maybe if one closes today and tomorrow these 2 haven't opened yet, then, and if they are still valid to take, then I'll be placing the same buy limit or sell limit. So now currently I will delete these orders I'm deleting these orders. So I'm going with these 2 orders only. So let's see how it play out. I'll update you. Good morning, guys. This is Tuesday. Welcome back to my documentation on my $7 account. Yesterday I had a loss yesterday, which is this particular trade. This particular GBP AUD losing $2.15. So I was on 2 trades yesterday. So this was one AUD chef is currently running against my entry. So the way I'm looking at this trade might hit stop loss. This AUD chef might hit stop loss. Like the momentum that price is using to go to my SL level is very high. Though I was expecting this price to react somewhere this level here after breaking this structure here. So I was expecting a reaction here, but it couldn't. It didn't happen. Which happens here. So I'll hopefully accept the loss. We'll try again. So I'm on this buy limit and sell limit that you can see here. So waiting for the first 2 to trigger or 1 to trigger. But if this trade happens to go back in profit, I will have more leverage to trade today. So let's see how it goes. Everyone, welcome back to my documentation on my $7 account. Yesterday I failed to shoot a video, so concerning this my account I'm trying to manage. I had a loss yesterday. This was still last week. Just yesterday I had these losses, this 1, 2, this GBP AUD and NZD USD. So that was what brought my account to this $3.85 you are seeing here. So yesterday, in fact, I thought that I've blown my account. I was chatting my friend yesterday on WhatsApp, and I told him that, yo man, I think I'm about to blow my account because XNext sent me a margin call yesterday, over 3 times yesterday. Like I was on a double trade. Like, man, this is crazy. I couldn't believe that that this trade is still going well now. So though I was tempted to close the trade, but I asked myself at midnight when I want to close this trade, I asked myself, yo, do you really want to close this trade? Or what did I have to lose? I was like, man, let me leave it. If it blows, it blows. My account was reading 0.54 cents on this balance you are seeing here. But bro, that was crazy. That was crazy, bro. So I woke up at midnight around 4, and not around 4 in the morning. This morning I saw that, whoa, about $5, man. I was like, shit. Man, I couldn't believe that. But nothing is impossible. Like many things are possible that are beyond our expectation are possible in this forex trading, bro. So I will update you guys. I'll update you guys on this trade, how it will play out. Let me pause this video for a moment, and I will show you how it looks like on my trading view. Bam, we are here. So let me start with AUD share. So this green line here, let me go to 1 hour time frame. This green line was where I executed on the other. I told you what happened at the other video, so I don't want to repeat that. So this is where I executed this trade. Sorry, on this green line here. So that was where I executed the trade. That was why it could have been reading more than this here. So
Let me take you the way I see it. So this is how it look like on 80 share. This might take profit. That means meanwhile we still have a long way to go, bro. So this is the other trade. Like, bro, it's about to hit TP. I'm expecting 10 plus something dollars or $11 on this trade, bro. This shit is crazy. It's fucking crazy, bro. It's fucking crazy. Like, it's fucking crazy. So that's what I have on this on my account. Though it's small though, but my joy was that when I was about to close the trade, I thought about I deposited $13 plus, then I withdraw $12 plus. So I have nothing to lose on this trade. Like, literally, I have nothing to lose. So why do I want to bother myself? And I said to myself that, well, even though this trade hits top loss, fuck it, bro, I have nothing to lose. Damn. Highest, I'll just lose 1 point something cent, or if it's up to 1 cent. So that's it. I'm at my working place. I just went to the backyard to make sure that I complete this video. And this was the same setup that made me $14 last week. Man, I was about to risk 20 pips stop loss, but I was like, yo, what am I looking for in the market? So I risked 25 pips. This is 25.000 you're seeing below here. So give me 1:5, like times 5 of what I'm risking. So here, the same thing, more than 1:5.37. You guys can see it. I will fucking update to my farms. Yo, man. Like, I'm gonna make a withdrawal this week, bro. Shit. Ooh, nigga. Welcome back, guys. This trade, I have a re-entry on this trade, so that's my initial entry. I'm not comfortable with it. In total, I'm not comfortable with the trade, but I want to have my original entry, so I close this baby shelf at 0.080 cents, so 8 cents. So I have to enter another entry here, which is this one here. You can see the entry and take profit, and the stop loss and take profit. I'm risking 2.54 on this trade, so just hopefully that price will just come down and tap me in and hit my stop loss, or and go to the upside. So there's no difference. I don't want to change the trade, but I'm not comfortable with the entry. That's one point. But I have to test it. Currently, an update on the NZD share. This is how the account looks like. So we're still holding. Welcome back, guys. This trade, I have a re-entry on this trade, so that's my initial entry. I'm not comfortable with it. In total, I'm not comfortable with the trade, but I want to have my original entry, so I close this baby shelf at 0.080 cents, so 8 cents. So I have to enter another entry here, which is this one here. You can see the entry and take profit, and the stop loss and take profit. I'm risking 2.54 on this trade, so just hopefully that price will just come down and tap me in and hit my stop loss, or and go to the upside. So there's no difference. I don't want to change the trade, but I'm not comfortable with the entry. That's one point. But I have to test it. Currently, an update on the NZD share. This is how the account looks like. So we're still holding.